Hey there, today I have this owl house that was sent over to me from the brand. This is going to be great in my yard because I have a wooded lot and we have a ton of squirrels running around. So I'm hoping it helps a little bit with those, and it also helps with any smaller type rodents that may be naturally in the yard. So let me show you what it comes with and I'll tell you about putting it together. So you're going to get all the wooden pieces needed to put the owl house together. Each board is all pre-drilled, so that's nice. There's not going to be any drilling that has to be done. The instruction page is all full color photos of each board and what it looks like, as well as the additional parts. The assembly process is on the back side, and again, everything is a photo showing exactly what it looks like as the process goes through. Finally, there's a bag with the smaller parts, as well as all the screws needed and a manual screwdriver. So for putting this together, I just laid everything out on the deck and separated the screws into separate piles. It literally took about 10 minutes to put together. The instructions were super easy to follow and everything fit in nicely. I really like how the screws were recessed and they just go in and then they're not exposed on the other side of the wood. Now, the instructions did not say what screws to use where. However, the majority of the screws are all the same size and they're what you use on the outside of the house. There were smaller screws provided, and that screw I put down here on the latch. That little latch just keeps this door closed because the door opens up for easy cleaning. There are two long screws that were provided, but I'm actually going to find a way to attach this to a tree and not a post. So those two screws are not going to be effective for me. However, those would just go through the back of the owl house into a post. I really like how easy this was to put together. It didn't take a lot of time. It's nice, thick pieces of wood. I'm really hoping it adds a little bit of wildlife to my yard that's going to be beneficial to take care of some of those rodents. If you are looking for a fun little project for your yard, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.